gonna practice that. I'm not very good at it. Yay. Hello. So, really cold beer. It's way too hot in this house. If you hear some banging and clanging, it's because my AC is getting worked on. So, there's like no coolness in this house, and I live in Sacramento. So, hi. So, I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different packages of Pretz, Pocky, a P-Joy, P-Joy, and Mihi, I don't know, chalk shrooms. They look really good. I love strawberry, and it's like a lighter chocolate. I'm not big on like dark chocolates, but whatever. Anyways, I'm going to start with savory first because I have a beer, and I think those will go good together. Or maybe I fucked up and I should start with the sweet. Who knows? I just know I really want the sweet, so I want to end on them because I'm not sure if these are going to be good. This thing has a shrimp on it. There's a fucking shrimp on it. These are sticks, like snack sticks. And that one's pizza. And that looks like good pizza from Italy, so I'm down. Alright, we're going to start with the shrimp because obviously I'm not really sure it's going to be all that good. So I don't want that flavor stuck in my mouth. They open like a really big pack of cigarettes. That's like horrible. Alright. Let's see. Let's see what they smell like. I have to smell everything I eat before I eat it. Those don't smell good. What do they smell like? I don't know. But serving size is like one whole container, and this thing has like 20 freaking sticks in here. I don't know. Shrimp flavored. Tom Yum. It's got lime. It looks like onions. It looks like a soup. Hi. They're really light. I like the crunchiness of the stick. There's like a little hidden spice. They're really not that intense. There's just like a little fire afterkick. You know what? I should save it because I have a lot of boxes. Okay. But those aren't bad. I might actually finish those. I just wanted to get the flavor, and they kind of hit you after. It's got a little kick. I wouldn't say they're bad. I don't know if I would really buy those again. I think I can taste the shrimp now. Yeah, that's a little fishy. Oh. Whew. I need to take a big drink so that I could rinse all that out and start fresh with the pizza ones that don't necessarily smell like pizza. Maybe a hint of cheese and tomato. If you can see them, let's see. They're really lightly like battered, like light. And they're like super dry little breadsticks. You could like crumble them up and put them on a salad or something, I guess. Excuse me. Initial flavor is pretty strong. It's really good. And not bad. I also like food though, so yeah, I'd eat those too. Don't know that they taste like pizza, but they're salty. And they're good. Alright. So I'm going to do the one thing of P-Joy, and the rest are like, oh, well, not the rest. The 3 are like smaller Pockies. And then the other 2 are really big. And this one, the strawberry one, has like heart centered. I really hope that comes out in like the stick. I hope it looks like that because that's cool. But I'm going to start with the weird ones first because these are like, hey, they're all in date. That's good because I just bought them. Alright. So, P-Joy. Cookies and cream. This is a filled and dipped stick. Still, serving size, 1 container. Like, who eats all this in one sitting? Okay, I'm not talking all the boxes. I'm talking like 1 box. Couldn't do it. Alright, my beer might not taste so great after this, so. It's really hot. I don't want to, like, touch them too much because I feel like I'm going to melt them. But apparently I can't even open them. Cut!
You gotta explain the drill.
Oh, yes. People working on my house. That's the drill underneath my house. That's the AC that is not turned on in 100 and something degree day. You got this fan blowing behind you. Damn it! Oh! Did not want to open. Look at that bullshit it made me do. It's for the next one that don't want to open. Okay. So, it is chocolate dipped. Yes? No? It's not chocolate dipped. It's a chocolate stick. It does hell look like a blunt. If that comes out in HD, you gotta edit that. So it is a creamy, vanilla-filled chocolate biscuit. This is really good. Okay. Maybe I could eat a whole bag of these ones. Cheers. More food! Choc rooms! Choco rooms. There's shit in my mouth. Alright. Oh, they smell so strawberry delicious. This is what you see when you open it. They're so tiny. I don't know. I kind of expected them to be bigger. Like, it's really cute. Ah! Why do we have these? Or anything like it? Because mushrooms are bad for you. Mushrooms are fun, okay? Cute little mushroom. Oh. Let's see. These aren't gonna make it very long. They're really good. Very strawberry. Yeah. Those are good. No complaints. So I have 5 boxes left. I've gotten through 4. 2 savories. Well, 1 bag and 3 boxes. Those choco rooms are bomb. Oh, by the way, if you guys are near the Arden area, Arden, California, Arden Mall, there's a store that sells these for $1.75 each, which is why I have so many. It's like the dollar store inside the mall, which was interesting. These are chocolate banana cream covered chocolate biscuit sticks. So the biscuits are chocolate and they are covered in a banana cream deliciousness. Oh yeah. And that is the drill again. I do not have gas, people, okay? But if you think I had gas, go ahead and like this video. And tell me you got a good laugh out of it at least. Whatever. Alright, chocolate banana pocky. Rude. I noticed some of them are from Taiwan and some of them are from Japan. Oh, I'm sorry, Thailand. And some... They're all products of Thailand. What is this? Ah, one Japan. See, I knew there was Japan too, damn it. Alright, chocolate banana! I'm super excited for these. And I'm trying not to touch it because it is 1,000 degrees out. This is why I'm holding it so silly. Because it's just hot. And I don't want to melt them because there's like chocolate and all sorts of stuff going on and fucking hair. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. I just got that one fixed. Alright. So, chocolate stick. Oh, see, they were already sticking together. Did you see that? Look. I got like 4 of them. Okay.
Looks like incense.
They do. Don't burn them. I'm sure it wouldn't go well. They might melt all over. I don't know. The biscuit might stick. It just, the stick doesn't look very chocolatey. It just looks like a light graham cracker or dark graham cracker. Alright, banana. Very banana. Very banana. Good thing I like bananas, huh? You know the Runts banana? That's what they taste like. It's pretty bomb. It's weird. It's just like sugary, fake banana. But I like it. How dumb is that? I love it. We are on take 4. I don't know if you're going to be on take 4 or if I'm only on take 4, but either way. I'm going to try this one next. It is cookies and cream covered biscuits. It doesn't say that the biscuits are chocolate, but it totally looks chocolate. And this one is not as awesome to open as all the other ones that have like this little slit. I wonder what that's about. Because the other box is weird. So, apparently on one Pocky in particular, they want you to open it that way. Whatever. Cookies and cream. I'm making a mess. They do look like chocolate biscuits. Ish. They do like the last chocolate biscuits were. So, they have chocolate. I can't talk right because I just want to eat it, but you guys gotta look at it and shit. Okay. Those are good. That one's bomb. But you know what? A little bit of a wax coating on the inside of my mouth at this point. I still am not hating it. So, I don't like tea at all. But with other people's reaction to this matcha, I wanted to try it. And it's also a green tea. Spit everywhere. The matcha green tea cream is why I really wanted to try it. Covered stick, biscuit stick, whatever. Anyways, I think because it's not just like a basic green tea, I think because it has that cream in there, might be really bomb. But we'll see, because I don't... Oh, that sucks. There's little sticks, and I broke them. Oh, I'm so sad right now. Okay. Holy fuck. It smells like grass. No, it straight up smells like green tea. That's just fucking crazy. Wow. Can you guys smell it? You know what green tea smells like? You just smelled them. It actually has like a little mint to it. And can you see it? All of the little broken crackers inside? That sucks. So I'm going to try this little piece right here. I'm going to pick one out. Find a whole one. I've got to eat it, right? I gotta be able to judge it. No, because there's plenty I knew within the first bite that I like. I don't like that. There's a little seaweed hint or something. Maybe it's just green tea. I don't like tea. I thought I'd try it. It's not good. I'm gonna give them to someone who likes tea. I saved the best for last. So, I don't know. Do I want to do the awesome almond ones? Or do I want to do the heart-shaped strawberry ones? With, just strawberry cream covered. Or chocolate almond covered. I want the heart-shaped stick the most. Even though those almonds look delicious. So I'm going to save the best for last. And go for these. Ooh! There's 2 packages. I am not forced. 1 pack per serving. These are more intense. You're only allowed a little bit. Oh, I broke it! Damn it. I'm such a bull in a china shop. I'm super excited for these. Look at this. Like, does that look awesome? Oh, I just lost a piece of almond. Now I'm going to get ants in the house because they find everything. Alright. I really don't know how you could go wrong with this. It's not even like a fair review at this time. Heaven. Ooh, I don't really like the chocolate. That's how you can go wrong. It's kind of like a cocoa instead of like a chocolate. What does it say? Shit. It says almond crush. Almond crush. Chocolate covered. It's not chocolate. I don't like cocoa. Some bitch. Chocolate liqueur and cocoa. Oh, cocoa butter. It tastes like it needs a little more sugar in it. But like I said, it's hot up in this bitch. Heart-shaped sticks. I hope I didn't break them all or they're not all broken. Again, like the other one, because that would suck. Can't smell them through the package.
Smells in the bag, baby.
But there's more in this package than the almond package, and it's 1 package per serving. Oh, I hope they don't break. I want a heart. Bullshit. Yeah, I'll see a heart. Okay, it is literally supposed to be, the point is the bottom. On this side, you can kind of tell that they shaped the biscuit in a V. But you really can't tell. So that cool heart-shaped stick. Yeah. It's a heart-shaped stick, but that is extremely magnified to be able to know. That was a heart-shaped stick. If you guys like strawberry, these things are bomb. Okay. So that's my last box. So I can just keep eating it, right?
Pizza.
He's gonna try the pizza ones. My director, Nunya. What about chocolate?
Ooh.
You cannot look at me. Chocolate and strawberry are good. So while I pick out, whether you liked it or not, Even if you're jealous of the shrimp one that I got to eat, because that was delicious, right? Actually, it didn't taste bad, but the aftermath was disgusting. Subscribe if you already are not. I'm not even to 100 subscribers yet. Tell me if you've tried any of these. I gotta put some down because my hands are not big enough to show them all to you. If you tried any of these and you like any of them, or any of them really disgust you, what your opinions are, if you live near Arden Mall, maybe we can go buy a bunch more stupid snacks and do a video together. There was a lot of beer left. I was gonna chug it, but his comment distracted me.
Okay.
So now it's a smaller chug. And I had a hole on the side of my lip. Yeah. Sponsor me, Corona.
Send you some free Coronas.
Send me some free, or Red Bull, whatever.
Or Funko.
Duh. Disney. Disney.